20 years from now, which jobs will disappear because of AI? Just imagine, 20 years from now, how different will the world we live in be? Will the jobs we do today and the careers we dream about still exist, or will they be replaced by something called artificial intelligence or AI? Today, we're taking a closer look at an issue that many people may be worried about, while others may be overlooking it. It's the future of the job market. In an age when AI is becoming increasingly important and may change the face of the world forever. Have you ever wondered if, 2 decades from now, the career you're working in today might no longer exist, or perhaps it will change so much that you won't even recognize it anymore? This is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. It's a reality that's already moving toward us, and we all need to be ready for it. Jobs such as assembling parts, inspecting product quality, or driving trucks, jobs that once required large numbers of human workers, may be replaced by AI-powered automation. This could lower costs and make workplaces safer. Today we'll explore which careers are most at risk of being replaced by AI, which ones are likely to change, and, most importantly, how we can adapt, survive, and continue to grow in a world powered by artificial intelligence. And there's something even more important. We won't just tell you which jobs might disappear. We'll also invite you to think about the true meaning of work and the value of being human, in an age when machines can do almost everything. So if you're ready, let's take a look at what the world of work might look like 20 years from now, and how you can prepare yourself, so you won't be left behind. First, let's look at the first group of careers that AI is likely to replace quickly. These are jobs involving repetitive tasks, work based on fixed rules, and tasks that require a high level of accuracy, but don't necessarily require creativity or complex decision-making. Administrative and office support roles are a good example. Think about data entry clerks, certain types of secretaries, or accounting staff whose main job is recording transactions. AI can learn patterns and process information much faster and more accurately than humans. For example, an AI system can manage appointments, reply to basic emails, and even prepare preliminary financial reports on its own. As a result, the demand for employees in these roles could drop significantly. Next are customer service representatives. Many of you may have already interacted with a chatbot or a voice bot. In the future, AI will become much more intelligent. It may be able to answer complex questions, solve problems on the spot, and serve customers 24 hours a day without ever getting tired. Of course, customer service that requires empathy, delicate negotiation, or the ability to build personal relationships may still belong to humans. But when the job mainly involves providing information or solving problems by following a set procedure, AI may be able to take over completely. The third group is manufacturing and manual labor. Robots and automated systems are nothing new in industrial factories, but 20 years from now, AI will make these robots much smarter. They'll be able to handle more complicated tasks, adapt to changing situations, and work alongside humans far more effectively. The fourth group involves basic financial work and data analysis. Financial analysts who mainly collect data, process numbers, or build basic models may face major changes. AI can analyze enormous amounts of information, predict market trends, and provide basic investment recommendations with greater accuracy than humans. Even so, work that requires strategic decisions, complex risk assessment, or the creation of entirely new financial innovations will still depend heavily on people. The fifth group is legal and paralegal support. Legal research, preparing basic contract documents, and summarizing cases all require time and careful attention. AI can perform these tasks much faster and far more efficiently. AI can read and understand huge volumes of legal documents, identify the most important points, and help prepare information for a trial. This allows lawyers to focus more fully on strategic planning and representing their clients in court. The sixth group includes journalists and content creators whose work is repetitive. It may sound alarming, but AI is already capable of writing fact-based news reports, summarizing information from different sources, and creating content based on a set format. This is especially true for stories involving statistics, weather reports, or sports results. AI can generate the content quickly and publish it almost immediately. However, work that requires genuine creativity, in-depth analysis, interviews, or emotionally powerful storytelling is still something AI cannot do as well as humans. The seventh group involves repetitive tasks in education. AI can help teachers grade homework, mark multiple choice tests, and even create exercises tailored to each student's ability. This can reduce teachers' workload, giving them more time to teach, offer guidance, and help students develop other important skills. But the teacher's role as an inspiration, a mentor, and the person who creates meaningful interaction in the classroom is something AI still cannot replace. The eighth group is healthcare, especially diagnostic support. AI is already playing an important role in helping diagnose illnesses, particularly by analyzing medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. It can detect tiny abnormalities that the human eye might miss. This can make diagnosis faster and more accurate, but the final decision, treatment planning, and caring for patients with empathy will still remain the responsibility of doctors and other healthcare professionals. We've now seen how AI is about to transform the world of work on a massive scale. Some careers may disappear, while others may be reshaped. But there's one thing we must not forget. AI is only a tool, created by humans, to serve humanity. So the most important question isn't simply, which jobs will disappear? The deeper question is, how will human beings define their own value in a world where machines can do almost everything? 20 years from now, we may no longer work only to make a living. We may work to find meaning in life, to create something new, and to solve complex problems that require intelligence, empathy, and human intuition. AI is good at tasks that rely on logic, data, and repetition, but the things AI still struggles with are genuine creativity, emotional connection, ethical judgment, and the ability to build relationships between people. So instead of being afraid that AI will take our jobs, we should see this as an opportunity to unlock the full potential of what makes us human, to learn new things, develop skills that AI cannot replicate, and discover a deeper meaning in life, beyond simply working for a paycheck. As AI continues to push beyond the limits of machines, we, as human beings, should push beyond our own limits as well. We should discover what truly makes us human and what value we can give to the world in a way that no AI ever could.